Boom, boom, bang, bing. It's your boy Jamaican J with another Beyond Two Souls, episode 3. No, part 3. Yeah, not episode, part 3. 21 gun salute to all my subscribers and all my viewers. And all first time viewer, welcome. Do remember to like, subscribe, like, share the video. It is much appreciated. Yeah. Yeah, man. So we're going to get to part 3 of this riveting game. Do remember to follow me on TikTok, Jamaican J _Dashanda X. Yeah. Yeah, man. So let's get to this action-packed psychological thriller. See what's up. Continue from where we left off. Let's get it. Homeless. Don't tell me they're searching for me. Damn, my girl freezing. All right, Jody, get up. You could do it. Damn, man. Ain't nobody on this block. Must be like 3 in the morning. Hurry up before the cops patrol again.
Hello?
Nathan?
Jody, where are you?
They're back. They're all around me.
Good God, Jody, what's happening?
I'm tired. I'm so tired.
Jody tired.
I don't think I'm gonna make it.
Tell me where you are. I'll come right now, Jody. Jody!
The life of Jody ain't easy. All right, let's get it. Let's get it going. Lowest price in town. Discount City. Yo, come on, girl, get up. Yo, guy, help her, man. Yo, bro. Help her, bro, help her. Why are you looking around? I said to help her. Help Jody, man. Help Jody. Oh, there we go. Yo, I think those were the monsters that was coming around her, yo, that dark shadow. From the previous chapter.
Jody, no!
Come on, girl.
Yo, thanks for saving my life, man.
I was beginning to think you'd never wake up.
Where am I?
You're in my place, kid. Not very luxurious, but quiet. Found you in the streets a few days ago. You're in pretty bad shape.
You've been taking care of me?
Ah, come on, somebody had to. I couldn't leave you lying there.
Guy live under
Get a dog in the
guy live
street.
under a bridge. Or a
Understand.
overpass.
What's your name?
Jody.
Welcome back to the land of living, Jody. Nice to have some company every once in a while. Some coffee? Strong. Tastes like shit, but hold you up against the cold.
Alright, let me try that coffee out, man. Since you've been so kind.
Careful, it's hot.
This place
How long
look
you been on the streets, kid?
look a little bit cozy though.
You can stay here if you like. I ain't got much to share, but whatever I got's yours.
Thanks.
Alright, let's walk around this place, see what it's about. There's a lot of homeless people down here. What heap of them? Oh. Yo, hombre. I want to this dude. What you doing, man? Yo, this guy is shooting up nigga. Man, you're sick. Warm up. No, that. Look at that guy. All drugged up and shit. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. I'm just walking around. Can't talk to none of these people.
Do you know the others?
That's Walter over there. All right, he drinks a little bit too much, but he's a good guy. And that's Jimmy.
Walter drunk as fuck.
Better to clear of him when he can't get a fix.
Yeah, crackhead.
And that girl? It's Tuesday. She's pregnant.
Oh shit.
Poor kid.
Thanks, Dad.
Yeah.
Why did you help me?
Wasn't gonna let you freeze to death.
Shit, I just want to
I
know.
was able to help you, so I did. It's no big deal.
I wish you hadn't have saved me.
I know, kid. I know. But, you know, we all go through that. Sometimes you just gotta hang on in there and just wait for it to pass. Look, everybody here has their own place. Sometimes it just takes a while to figure out where it is.
Oh shit. All right. So if there's something else for me to do, yo, I don't want to miss nothing. What's around here? Man, it's look dark down there. Shit is scary, yo.
You got the jitters. You on drugs?
No. It's not what you think. It's hard to explain.
Well, then don't explain. Save it. But I gotta tell you, I ain't got no dope and I want nothing to do with that shit. You got it?
I don't do drugs. Okay, that's the truth.
I don't know, man. I'm scared to go down there. Shit, man. I don't know if I should go down. Fuck. Scared to go down there, yo. Damn, girl, you don't talk? Hey, girl, you better not. Better put it back. Stop fucking around. We ain't that kind of people. We ain't suicidal like that. Aurora Avenue. Alright. Damn, man. Don't tell me I'm really gonna have to go down that dark fucking room. Shit. Alright. Fuck it. Let's get it over with. No, she ain't trying to go down there either. She turned back. Try again. Go down there. Nope. She like, fuck no. Alright, cool. I don't want to go down there either. So what I'm supposed to do? I can't go out this way. I can't go out that way.
Ghost? She looks like she has something to say.
Oh.
Got the results of the test, Stan.
understand. Wonder what I don't understand.
Was there someone close to you who died recently?
My wife,
Damn.
Nancy, died of leukemia 4 years ago.
That's sad, man.
How do you know that?
Never mind. Never.
And
Okay, let's see what else we could find. Nothing over here, nothing over there. Can't mess with that girl. Go check this guy out over here, man.
Well, you've risen from the dead. Hallelujah, praise the Lord. Welcome to our magical kingdom, my lady.
You drunk as fuck. There's a pregnant girl there. Okay, let me go back over there. Why you keep warming up, man? Turn back this way. I want to see something. I can't look at her no more. I don't know what to do. Oh, this is the way. Okay.
we got no more food left. Got nothing left to eat. We gotta do something about it. You wanna see how things work around here?
Yeah, I'm coming.
Well, let's see how the homeless live.
We need to make about $5, and that's for something hot. All right, we'll try here. Hopefully the cold will make people feel more generous.
Do what? What you gonna do here? Beg?
How long does it take to hit $5?
I don't know, depends on people's good grace. Take a couple hours, take a week.
I'm starving.
Damn,
We have to
yeah.
hold on until we get some cash. Think about something else.
Like what? Food?
I'm so cold.
Cold, hungry, and cold.
Stan. I don't think it makes sense both of us being in the same place. I'm gonna go try it over there.
Good luck, kid.
Yo, Jody look real fucked up, yo. Where we going, man? Try over where?
When did this town get so run down?
Hey, last time I looked, the economy isn't doing so great. Some people just fall on hard times.
Yeah, no shit.
I wonder where I gotta go. Just walking around.
Hey, baby. You looking for a few extra dollars?
And fuck you.
Maybe I can help you out.
Don't help me out. Damn, where I gotta go to get this food up? To make this bread.
Easy money, sugar. Just for your sweet lips.
And go kiss your mama, man. I don't know where I gotta go.
Just pick one.
Burgers sound good, but so does pizza.
It's just fuel.
It's so hard.
They don't even give me a clue where I should go. Damn.
And I told him if he didn't like it, he could leave.
Did he? Shut up. Serves him right.
Maybe here. Yep, right here. Simple, sincere. All right, let's see if anybody give us $1. These mean fucking people walking by. Yo, bro, you ain't got nothing? Damn. Yo, help the poor,
I'm so
man.
sorry. Here.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it. All right, put it up. Put it away. That's only $1, man. Yo, it ain't easy being homeless, man. I'm telling you. Yo, bro, I made $1, I think.
Hey, Jody. Any luck?
Not really.
$5. It's all we need to eat tonight, kid. We can do it. Have to.
Okay, I'll go back. I'm so hungry.
Shit.
I gotta get a few bucks.
Yo, that guy must be immune to hunger. He must be immune to hunger. Hunger don't bother him, yo. Oh, the dude would offer me some money. Oh, so I gotta find a different place? Rob this damn ATM. How do I rob it? Oh.
Take that money out of me.
Hell yeah, you can.
I'm no thief.
Man, I'm taking that shit. Fuck you. You know, thief. But you ain't gonna die of hunger.
We've got enough. Let's go see how Stan's doing. How's it going?
Not great.
Yo, Stan, man, I got the money, man. We put that 50 cent away, bro.
Holy shit. Jody, where did you get all that cash?
I found it.
Jody, if you stole that money...
It's not like anyone's gonna miss it. This way we can eat tonight. Stan. It's not like I killed anybody for it.
This ain't no blood money. It's just stolen, that's all.
Go get us some food. Stay right here.
Hurry up. I want to go in the supermarket too, man.
What you got there, old time? Looky here. You win the lottery, lucky son of a bitch.
Oh, shit.
Trouble?
Trouble? Trouble? That is disrespectful, old man. We look like...
Oh, man.
Look like trouble, guys. Filming this ad?
Yeah, I'm on it, man.
Fuck.
Yo, this shit's gonna turn ugly. I gotta go over there, man.
The asshole kind of just folded right up.
Back off and you won't get hurt.
Looky here. Looks like Bum's got...
Oh, shit, and he's filming it.
Brawling Ed. Let's demonstrate how we deal with skanky, low-life bitches.
Come on, get the fuck off of me, bro. Oh, shit. How the fuck I made that land? Fuck out of here, bro. Break your fucking arm.
See you later, bitch. I'm out of here.
Break your fucking arm.
How did you do that?
Yo, these guys are bitches, yo.
Yo, but There was 4 of them. Is one of you?
4 assholes. I did not know how to fight. Let's get out of here before they come back.
All right.
Oh dear. 4 guys against 1 girl. Tunnel closed. Hey girl, what the fuck wrong with you?
All right, guys. Come and get it.
Yeah man, food ready.
Clean out of juice.
Come on, Jody. Help yourself.
Alrighty. Where is it at? Where?
A bit of chocolate for dessert.
Let me get that grub.
Chocolate. I don't reckon I even remember what that tastes like.
Damn, Jody make everybody eat.
What happened to you, Stan?
I got in a fight. If it wasn't for Jody, I'd still be lying there. You should have seen it. There were 4 guys. Jody kicked herself some ass.
Hey, when is your baby due?
Yeah.
Next month. She hasn't been kicking for days.
Wow.
I hope she's alright.
Boyfriend used to beat her up.
He didn't want a baby. He probably would have killed her.
Jimmy? Are you okay?
I'm cold. I'm so fucking cold.
Jimmy.
Drugs.
Yeah, him need him shit.
How long have you been here?
I found the bridge about, 6 months ago. Bumped into Walter. Jimmy showed up.
With his crack
He's
self.
been here, what, like 3 weeks?
Walter. How did you end up here?
I was a high school teacher.
Wow.
Till I stopped being able to pay back the loans. And lost my house,
You got
job.
look like he got cataracts.
Friends. Ended up here on Dead End Drive.
How about you, Jody? You haven't said much about yourself. How did you end up on the street?
Alright.
Did some things that I'm not proud of. Until I realized I was being used. I know that this is gonna sound really strange. That I'm different. It's made my whole life a fucking mess.
You said you were different, Jody. In what way?
Ever since I was born, I've been linked to an entity. His name is Aiden, and he's always with me.
Yeah, I'd rather tell them than
He's here right now.
they cool with me.
Looks like Jimmy isn't the only one with a drug problem.
Oh shit. No you didn't.
What are you doing?
Trust me.
Oh, it's this shit again.
Jody, you all right?
Stan, my love.
Oh, Jody, stop that. That's not funny.
It's been a long time, Stan. 4 long years.
Oh shit.
Nancy. Nancy, can't be you.
It is me, my love. I never left. I've been here beside you all this time.
Oh my God.
Breaks my heart to see you so lost, so desperate.
It's hard, Nancy.
Oh, man.
I'm empty without you, my love. I'm so empty.
Stop living in the past, Stan. Nothing's gonna change what we had together. But now you have to start a new life. Go back to work. Fall in love. Just be happy again. For me, Stan. Do it for me.
Oh, I miss you. God help me, I miss you.
It's a miracle. A goddamn miracle.
Jody? Thanks.
You're welcome, man. Yeah, Jody got some friends now. That's Stan, Walter. Oh, she having a baby. Oh, come on, girl. Let me help you give birth. I know.
Tuesday? Is it?
Yeah, she's gonna have Wednesday.
Contractions.
We need an ambulance. We need a whole goddamn hospital.
No hospital. Ah! They'll take my baby. No one's gonna take my baby.
Jesus Christ, girl. We ain't got nothing here. Ain't got as much as a blanket, hot water. We got nothing.
My baby. Oh, I don't want my baby to die.
Hold on. Calm down. Find a way. All right, Jimmy. Down the road always, there's this old abandoned building. Figure out a way inside.
On my way.
Go. Walter, you sit down. You stay here with Tuesday, okay? Jody, come on. We gotta go get everything we need. Now, you girl, don't be having no baby till we get back, all right?
I'm trying, but you better damn well hurry.
All right, let's go. She about to have the baby.
Jody, come on.
I am right behind you.
What are we gonna do? Do you know a doctor?
No. Besides, we don't have any money to pay for it anyway.
So what are we gonna do?
Listen. I want this baby to have a chance. Even a tiny little chance in this big fucked up world. I want it to be warm and have diapers and a bottle and decent clothes like any other human being. I won't let it be born in the trash under a bridge. I won't.
Okay, so what's your plan?
I don't have one. But we'll figure it out. Come on. There's all we need in there.
Huh.
We just gotta get in.
Well, Jody could fix that.
Damn it! There must be a way. There must be a fucking way.
Leave it to me.
Huh? Why? What are you gonna do?
Man, stop asking all that fucking questions, man. All right, I'm in.
Must be a switch for the security gate somewhere.
Switch for the security gate. Oh, that's not a switch.
A switch. We need to find the switch to open the security gate.
I can't go in there. Nope. Hold on, Jody. Hold up. I'm trying to find a damn switch. These are not switches. Oh, here we go.
Wait a sec. Feels like we missed something.
Yeah, I think so too. What about the security camera? What about the oh, there it is, that fucking camera.
Okay, alarm off. Will save us some trouble later.
Damn, how the hell did you do that?
No time to explain. Let's just take what we need and get out of here.
Alright, hurry up, bro. Can't be lookout all day.
I took everything I could.
Well, let's go.
Let's get the hell out of here.
Oh, there you are. Hurry! Her water broke.
Oh shit, let's go, let's go.
Yeah, Walter's there with her. Come on, we need to hurry.
Let's fucking go. Where you going, girl? Go. You can't run faster? Why you keep stopping? I don't like how she running slow, man.
It's this way.
Where'd they go? Oh, hurry up, man. She's having a baby.
Just in time, guys. Seems like it's gonna be any minute now.
Now what?
All right.
You know what to do.
Leave! All of you. Except Jody. I just want Jody.
Damn, why you gotta be Jody? All right.
You know that I've never done anything like this before.
Well, me neither. I just
First,
want those
she gotta
legs
take those
standing
pants off.
around staring at me when I'm wrecked in pain.
Okay. Okay, don't worry. Don't worry, we're gonna figure this out. We're gonna figure this out. I mean, how hard can it be?
Okay, let's get it on.
Let me just help you get those off.
Oh shit, are you kidding me? Now what? No what? No what? No what? Damn. Towel, get that. Oh Lord, why I gotta do this, man?
I'll just clean up this old mattress.
Oh, that don't look right. Comfort.
Hang in there. Okay, you can do it.
Come on. Where are you going? Oh, Lord have mercy. Why they breathe first?
Breathe, okay? Breathe, Tuesday. Just keep breathing in and out.
Breathe in and out. That's what got her in trouble, in and out. That's why she's pregnant now. Because of in and out. Alright, let's go. Let me push, girl.
Come on! Push! Push! You're nearly there, okay?
Push. Push, girl. Reassure.
Doing fine. Okay, you're doing just fine.
Just beautiful.
I can see it.
Oh, Lord. Why I gotta do this shit? I never want to play this game again. You did it! Look at her! Gotta cut that umbilical cord out. Hey, baby.
Cut the cord.
Yeah, hurry up and cut the cord, yo. RB. Oh my god, look how this thing is too graphical. Oh.
It's not been easy so far, babe. But we're gonna make it. Me and you. I promise. Nothing can stop us now.
All the way up. Nothing can stop us. All the way up.
I'll go get the others.
Good job, guys. Good job.
Wow. It's so tiny.
It's a girl. Her name's Zoe.
Shit, man. She's goddamn amazing.
Hey, watch your language, Walter. She understands everything you say.
She's more than amazing. She's magnificent.
I couldn't have done it without you guys. And Jody.
You're a miracle, Jody. Our miracle.
So sweet. Yeah, Jody did a good job. What the hell going on here? What? Damn. Get up, Jody. Gotta get the fuck up out of here.
Stan, wake up.
What the? Oh, God.
Where are the others?
Walter's on this floor, Jimmy, and Tuesday and Zoe are upstairs.
Get out of here. I'll go get them.
No, I'll come with you.
No, I'm going alone.
What?
I said get out of here!
Help!
I didn't blast the door!
Help me!
Alright then.
Tuesday and the baby. They're upstairs. We gotta save them before the whole place burns down.
Someone help me! We can't get out! Help! Help me! Someone help me! Someone help me!
Yo, didn't I just open this door though? I know I just opened this door, didn't I? Oh, it's this one.
Help me! Someone help me!
Yo, would you shut up, man? I'm trying to help you, bro. Oh, hold up, man. I gotta go help the baby. Man, fuck you, man. You gotta hold on. Gotta go help the baby, bro.
Someone help me!
Where's the baby?
Come on, Jimmy! Jump! Jump!
No!
Jump, motherfucker.
No, I can't make it!
You can!
I can't make it!
You can! Come on, jump!
Yo,
He doesn't move. We'll need to make him move.
man, get your crackhead ass over here, bro. Yo. Jump, motherfucker.
What happened?
Get out! Now!
The baby! You gotta get the baby!
Oh.
Next door!
Come on, we gotta get the baby.
There's gotta be another way.
Alright, we go through here, yo. We go through here. Damn. Come on, man. We gotta get the baby.
Johnny! Come on, let's get out of here.
Come on, let's go, girl.
We're stuck! We're stuck!
Damn, man. What the fuck?
You're gonna have to trust me, okay? Jody? Jody, no!
What the fuck?
Are you okay? Is he okay?
Thank God.
Damn, no!
Yo, what happened to Jody, man?
What are you doing?
doing this.
Jody!
Okay, got her.
Jody, come on. Come on, Jody, you can make it. Come on, come back, come back.
She just needs some oxygen, man. Put some oxygen on her.
We need oxygen. Losing her. Don't leave us.
That's crazy.
How you doing today, Jody? Good?
Can't spend the whole day.
Okay, I'm gonna put this on you. Remember? It's just like a crown.
I said no. End of story. You're wasting your breath, Joe.
2001. I got the story.
You can take care of
Watch yourself out there, Jody.
Spend the whole day looking out the window.
Stuff like that?
Tiny little chance in 2001. I wanted to be warm and I have diapers and a bottle and decent clothes.
Jody,
I won't let it be born in the trash. Don't worry, I won't.
I'll take from there.
The entities.
No, I don't want to go in the light. What happened?
Am I dead?
What the fuck?
Okay. Alright, I've got to get closer. Wait, my child. Let me see her. Just one, but she's my baby. Bring her back. I changed my mind. I want my baby.
You change your mind.
Get the baby out of here.
Let me see her. I want my child. Please let me see her. Who was that woman?
Look like your
Why are
mama.
you showing me this? Is she my mother?
It looks like the future.
Aiden?
What I'm supposed to do?
No! 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 I don't want to go back! I want to stay with you, Aiden! Aiden! No!
Okay. That's how she had ended up in the hospital. Okay, that scar in her head.
Aiden? Why, Aiden? I didn't want to come back.
Pull that shit out of her arm, huh? I'm supposed to push, okay. RB, LB. Be out of here. Hold up, you can't change clothes?
Yeah, that's her. Concussions and skull fractures. She's been in a coma for several months.
Can we see her?
No. Are you family?
We're with the CIA. This girl is wanted for treason, so we have an arrest warrant if that's what you need.
Okay. I'll take you to her.
Window? Where? Okay, got to be the window. Ain't gonna catch me.
So, where is she?
That's weird. This is a room. She should be here.
Shit. She went out the window.
That's impossible. We're on the 5th floor. She couldn't go out the window.
Call it in. That girl cannot get away.
It's the Matrix, dude. Where we at? Bear Mountain? Okay, that's how the cop found him. Okay, that's how the cop found her.
Is everything all right? Man?
Yeah, so that's how the cop found her. Okay. Let me see. Lied, evaded. Did what it took for her. Got enough money. 92. Man, only 34% did what it took. Man, listen here. When you're hungry and cold, it's different. Yeah, man. But this is where we're going to leave the video for part 3. Yeah, it's getting very interesting. Yeah. 21 gun salute to all my subscribers and all my viewers. Do remember to follow me on TikTok, JamaicanJ_TheShondaX. And if you're a first-time viewer, welcome. Do remember to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell. It is much appreciated. Thanks for watching. God bless. 1.